Hi, this is Uzamaka from the Women of Remarkable Destiny. I just want to encourage someone out there. You've been through so much in 2019, and we're about to step into the new month, December, the last month of 2019. But don't give up. The way you end your year will determine how you start your new year. And I want you to know that end this 2019 feeling happy. Make yourself happy, dance, worship God, do something different so that as you step into 2020, you can have a new beginning. Despite all the pain, the hurts, the wounds, the disappointments, and everything, don't give up. It's a new day, it's a new beginning. Remember, you're not the former things, and just know that you can be healed. I was sexually abused, and it took me over 30 years to find healing. And through my teaching, overcoming the effects of sexual abuse, I'm using that as a tool to help other people. So rejoice, be strong. It's your year, 2020.